Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome back to our English class. This is Class 8 and Unit 8 Gratitude. Be reading in that poem Be Thankful, Session 6. Children, whom can we be thankful? We have to be thankful to our family because they always support us in every part of our life. We have to be thankful for bright green trees that gives us food and oxygen to live, isn't it? We have to be thankful for bright yellow sun because it helps us to grow. We have to be thankful for our friends. Children, we can't imagine our life without friends, isn't it? They will support us in various ways. Let's move to glossary. First one, look forward to. It's a phrasal verb meaning wait eagerly. Look forward to meaning wait eagerly. Opportunity. Opportunity means chance. Limitation. Weakness. Limitation means weakness. Fourth one, improvement. Improvement means betterment. Challenge. Challenge means a difficult situation. Challenge means a difficult situation. Weary. Exhausted or tired. Setbacks. Difficulties or problems. Setbacks means difficulties or problems. Gratitude. Thankfulness. Gratitude means thankfulness. Blessings. Good things or happy events. Blessings means good things or happy events. Children, let's move to our B reading. Be thankful. Now we will recite the poem. Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward to? Be thankful when you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. Be thankful for the difficult times. During those times, you grow. Be thankful for your limitations because they give you opportunities for improvement. Be thankful for each new challenge because it will build your strength and character. Be thankful for your mistakes. They will teach you valuable lessons. Be thankful when you are tired and weary because it means you have made a difference. It's easy to be thankful for the good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. Gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles, and they can become your blessings. Children, let's move to summary of the poem. Be thankful. A person should be thankful for not having something in life. Then only one can expect something. One should be thankful for not knowing something. Then only he gets a chance to learn new things. Be thankful for the difficult times that happen in his life, as they only makes him grow further in life. Be thankful to limitations in life because they only create many opportunities to improve ourselves. Be thankful for the new challenges in life because it gives you new strength and character. Be thankful to the mistakes you have done because they will teach you priceless lessons. Be thankful for the good things that happen in your life because it will give fulfillment, recognition, makes negative to positive. So find a path to thank the troubles you face, and that will become blessings for you one day. Children, now we will move to question and answers. First question. The poet depicts the different situations or aspects of life where we need to be thankful. What are they? Answer. The poet asks us to be thankful when we don't have what we desire, when we don't know something, when we face difficulties, when we have limitations, when we come across challenges, when we make mistakes, and when we are weary. Our second question. Do you agree to the poet's idea? Yes or no? Give reasons. Children, if you agree to the poet's idea, you may write like this. Yes, I do agree with the poet's idea as it is useful to develop our personality. It promotes peace, prosperity, and progress all around. The ideas are particularly relevant and helpful to the modern man, who is an icon of stress and conflict. If you disagree to the poet's idea, you may start like, no, I do not agree with the poet's idea, and give your reason. Okay, children? Third question. How do the difficulties help us to grow? When will the troubles become blessings? Answer. The difficulties bring out our innate powers like energy and courage to grow. So, we should be thankful to difficulties. Gratitude changes negative forces into positive power. Definitely, it turns troubles into blessings too. Children, I think you understood well. Thank you for watching. This is B. Lakshmi Bhavani, School Assistant English. Be practicing. Until the next video.